Are you chasing happiness, but feeling like it's always just out of reach? You're not alone. Most people think happiness lies in achievements, money, or even relationships. But what if the real key to happiness is something entirely different? Spoiler alert. It's simpler than you think. Read on to discover a happiness secret that could change everything. What is happiness? Really, happiness can seem elusive. We often hear about it, dream about it, and set it as a life goal. But what is it really? Many define happiness as a sense of contentment, peace, or joy. While those are aspects of it, happiness is more about how you view your life than what you actually have. The way you interpret your experiences can make all the difference. But here's the twist. Sometimes it's the simplest things we overlook that have the biggest impact. The overlooked secret to happiness. Appreciation. This may sound too simple, but research shows that appreciation is a critical factor in feeling happy. Think about it. When was the last time you truly felt grateful for what you have? Not just the big things, but the small, everyday moments. It turns out that regularly practicing gratitude can boost your mood, improve relationships, and even enhance physical health. Why appreciation works. When you actively look for things to appreciate, you're retraining your brain. Instead of focusing on what you lack, you start seeing what's already there. Studies from Harvard Health show that gratitude can make us feel more positive, relish good experiences, and build strong relationships. It's a powerful shift that can make ordinary moments extraordinary. It doesn't take much to incorporate gratitude into your daily routine. Here are some quick, actionable tips. Start a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for. It could be as simple as your morning coffee or a kind word from a friend. The key is consistency. Take a moment to pause. When you're stressed, take a deep breath and think of one thing you appreciate at that moment. It helps break the cycle of negative thoughts and shifts your focus. Express gratitude to others. Tell people when you appreciate them. A simple thank you note, text, or a few kind words can go a long way in strengthening connections and spreading positivity. The science behind it. Why does gratitude work so well? Research has shown that gratitude activates the brain's reward center, releasing dopamine, which gives us feelings of pleasure and motivation. Over time, gratitude can lead to lasting changes in the brain, making it easier to feel positive and optimistic about life. Conclusion. Happiness doesn't have to be as complicated as we often make it. Sometimes, the simplest things, like taking a moment to appreciate what you have, can make the biggest difference. The best part? You can start practicing appreciation today and experience its benefits right away. So next time you find yourself searching for happiness, remember to take a step back and appreciate the little things. You might just find that the happiness you've been looking for has been there all along. Call to action. Want to start your journey to happiness today? Try keeping a gratitude journal for 1 week and notice how you feel. It could be the start of a whole new perspective on life. Let us know in the comments how it goes, or share your favorite gratitude practice. By incorporating these ideas into your daily life, you're not only improving your happiness, but also making a lasting positive change. After all, happiness might be simpler and closer than you think. Thanks for watching.